Hey guys, this is Justin with Shock Therapy once again, here to show you how to install the PRP storage truss bags on a Honda 1000X and R. These bags are not side specific. You've got multiple entrances through the zippers on both sides. You can attach them to either side of the car, whichever you feel. Also, they install very quickly to the cage section behind the back seat. So let's go over to Lauren. She'll show you how to install these bags very quickly on the shop car behind me. When mounting the truss bags, they are not side specific. They actually have zippers on both sides. It does not matter which one is mounted on either the driver or passenger side. Start by mounting the Velcro straps across the top bar. Next, install the front Velcro straps to the B-pillar. Repeat the mounting steps on the other side. Like we told you, these bags are very easy to install, as Lauren just showed you. That also brings up one of the benefits of the bags. You can actually take them on and off the car as you see fit from trip to trip and fill them inside the trailer. You don't have to fill them on top of the car where it might be a little bit awkward. The extra storage from these bags is very helpful, especially on long trips. These bags are extremely durable and made from marine grade vinyl, as we found out when we used them in Baja. There's very little storage space inside the Honda, and we were able to use these for extra accessories, tools, and other items that were needed when you're pre-running the 500 course. For more storage solutions on your Honda Talon, visit prpseats.com.